I don't think it needs any introduction. I've got my 2 tins of kidney beans. It's week 5, it's burger week. Let's get cooking and plate up, roll the recipe. So it's that time in the video for our super chef skills, and today we are going to learn how to mince garlic. Now the first thing that you need to do is take the root off of your garlic, and exactly the same as when you were preparing an onion, you need to keep those fingers well away from that garlic, and then you're going to use the side of your knife over that garlic, and you're going to use the heel of your hand and you're going to give it a bash, and then hopefully the skin should just peel straight off. And then what you are going to do is you are going to start to just finely chop it with those fingers out of the way, remembering to use that knuckle in order to keep those fingertips away from the knife. And then what we are going to do is you are going to keep the end of the knife on the board and your hand on the top of the knife, and we're going to actually rock around like this so we can cut the garlic into really, really fine bits. You can also use the part of your knife, the front of your knife, just to sort of smooth it down, and that helps to break it down too. And then more rocking motion until what you have is, you can do little chops as well, until what you have is your finely minced garlic. If you wish, if you find that your garlic is a little bit sticky, you can add a sprinkling of salt on the top, because that helps to break it down. Lots of lovely finely minced garlic ready for your recipe. It's as simple as that. Thank you so much for joining me for Brilliant Burger Week. Don't forget, head over to our Twinkl Homemade Facebook page and share your amazing cooks. I'm looking forward to seeing all those fab burgers and how you've chosen to serve them. Have you also had a go at making the mayonnaise? Check out the recipe pack in order to find the recipe. I will see you again next week when we're going to be making sushi. Shh. So the truth is, I've got a tin of chickpeas and a tin of baked beans because I've already recorded the recipe, but I don't have any red kidney beans left.